Given the popularity and multi-purpose possibilities of tablets, it's natural that we feature a variety of these versatile devices here. There are some tablets that impress us because of their processing power, others because of their features. The product we are covering today scores highly on these two essential aspects, but is also quite an engineering marvel, with an overall design that makes it one of the best large tablets out there right now. This is the Sony Xperia Z, which really is a complete package. Let's take a look at it.
Here we go!
Sony Xperia Z begins to impress right out of the box, with a design that makes it the thinnest and lightest large tablet available in the market. Despite an impressive 10.1-inch screen, which we'll get to in a while, the tablet is just 0.3 inches in thickness and weighs a very light 1.06 pounds. This is even more incredible when you realize that no important feature has been skimped on in this Android device. Sony's expertise in display technology is made full use of in this tablet, with its razor-sharp, super bright HD reality display. Use of the Bravia 2 engine gives this screen the same quality you'd expect in a high-end HD TV. Features like contrast enhancement, increased color saturation, noise reduction, and sharpness filtration turn every video watching experience into truly cinematic. And your images look better than on any other tablet screen too. Cinema-like viewing is further enhanced by the 3D surround sound speakers. Another design highlight is the dual camera feature. The 8-megapixel rear camera uses Sony's XMOR technology to allow for great pictures even in low light. The 2-megapixel rear camera delivers a best-in-class performance too, making it perfect for selfies and for video conferencing. To add to all this, Sony has also made this tablet surprisingly dust-resistant and waterproof, with the ability to continue working even after being submerged in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. And the Xperia Z packs in a lot of power under the hood too. A 1.5 GHz quad-core Snapdragon S4 Pro processor gives you maximum performance and speed, with 2GB RAM and 16GB flash memory to support it. The processor also has a dedicated Adreno 320 GPU to enable you to play the most advanced games easily. Finally, the feature that really makes the tablet stand out is its next-level connectivity. You can set up the IR remote to really enhance your TV experience, while the one-touch functions let you connect easily to NFC-enabled smartware, speakers, laptops, or mirror your screen on a Bravia TV, or even back up your content on Sony Personal Content Station. Blistering speed, jaw-dropping graphics, and unmatched connectivity. There's very little to fault in an Xperia Z. Its customers seem as impressed with the tablet, with over 360 user reviews, giving it an average score of 4.1 on 5 stars. That's all from us on the very impressive Sony Xperia Z 10.1-inch 16GB tablet for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of tablets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.